Sometimes the wire must tense for the note. Sometimes the wire must tense for the note.
The wire was spooled after it was used. The wire was spooled after it was used.
I spool the yarn. I spool the yarn.
This is cotton yarn. This is cotton yarn.
Use a cotton bud to clean the camera. Use a cotton bud to clean the camera.
When the fruit trees are in bud, frosts may damage the crops. When the fruit trees are in bud, frosts may damage the crops.
Sow early for an early crop. Sow early for an early crop.
You reap what you sow. You reap what you sow.
He was in a position to reap the greater profit. He was in a position to reap the greater profit.
Charity parties profit the people in need. Charity parties profit the people in need.